May 2026 student enrollment referral program. You wish to refer students to Airbnb. You click a link like this one. This link airbnb.ac.ke/apply. Wait for it to load. Here on this page, you're supposed to enter the student details, the applicant details. So let's start like this. And so I'm going to use these details just for your application guide. So students ID number I'm going to use randomly. I'm just guessing. Remember, you are not going to guess. You are going to enter the actual student applicant details. Let me use Airbnb as the name. Airbnb applicant. Index number. I'm going to also give you give the correct index number. Remember to say stroke the year of completion of AC. 2026. Enter the correct student admission, student email address. I'm just guessing. Airbnb@gmail.com. Phone number. Enter the student correct phone number. Let me use our customer care number. Use that one as the password. Always use a simple password which you are able to remember. Then you submit. Once you submit, you wait, just chill. Now, so here you are supposed to give in these application details. That's you're supposed to give a personal details, address information. We kuja mpaka hapa chini, and the full student applicant name. So I'm just using this applicant phone number, date of birth. Please remember to enter your date of birth. Start with the month. This is the month is June. Remember, I'm just guessing 20. Let's say 2001. Nationality Kenya. Religion Christian, if you are a Christian. If you are Islam, Hindu or other. Ethnicity unasema kama ni Mkisi, Mluya, Mkalenjin, Mkamba. Just guessing. State, your gender, are you a female or male? That's a male. Okay, also remember to check here, are you a person with disability? If you are, you can check. If you are not, you skip. And then so but this email address is very correct, very active and very active, and it is the correct email format, because the moment ukikoza hapa utakosa kupata barua. Hapa ndio barua itatumwa. So your county, let's say Nakuru, tuko Nakuru. Sub-county, address is kwa Njoro, Rift Valley National Polytechnic Njoro. Our sub-location, we say Njoro. Hapo utaweka details zako za nyumbani. Sub-location still I can't say Njoro, or I can't say Ngata. Postal code, weka penye unatoka. Tuweke Njoro. Sorry. Select town. So just see tunaweka. Tuweka hapa. Select town. Njoro. Village. Tuweka Ngata. Click next. next of kin details, jina ya mzazi tutaneka tu RVNP. Jina ya mzazi, is it parent, guardian, guardian location, tuweke Ngata. Postal address 2100 ya Nakuru. Phone number ya mzazi, sisi tunaweka, let me use our other customer care number. Hapa sasa ndo watu wanapoteanga. Here you must enter your primary and secondary details. So you click here, create new education history. Click hapo. Hapa ndo select primary na secondary. So kama ni primary unaweka shule ilienda primary, mwaka ulimaliza, you select that one, maybe 2020, index number like that. And remember, it's not a must that you attach, don't attach. Then you can select secondary education. You may select secondary, nilisoma wapi, I may say Ngata secondary. Grade you specify, maybe nilipata grade you specify the student's grade, let's say C+, then you save. Click next. Ukishafika hapa is where you select now to select the course. So click at proceed to application process. Good. You wait for it to load. Sasa hapa ndo watu wanafika kusema we. Sasa hapa hakuna course inaonyesha. Kwa simu kwa simu hizi onyesha hizo programs hivyo mpaka uweke you auto rotate your phone. So kisha auto rotate you rotate your phone, you'll be able not to see our programs. But for the best experience, please apply using your laptop. So you see now you're able now to see the programs. Plumbing level 4, masonry level 4, something like that. For a smart student, you are just, you know what so unajua course unataka kufanya, so you just come and search. Science, computer hivyo. So kishafanya hivi ndio nione kama ni program hivi. So you see computer science level 6. Good. Click at arrow, apply course. Click here, apply. Now sometimes unafika mahali, so hivi intake, select intake, main campus, critical campus, module campus, critical campus. So you select which campus. Let's say main campus. How did you hear about us? Hapa sasa ndo pesa hiko. So you click referred. If you are applying for a student, unaweka namba yako hapa. If the student now you have referred, alikuwa anajiapply, hapa ndo unaweka namba yako ya simu. So akujaweka hapo namba yako ya simu 0704 666 111. Natumia customer care namba ya shule, then you submit. Once you submit, you confirm your details, submit, save successfully. Good, you have submitted your program. So what waits is for you to pay the application fee. So application fee ndio hiyo, for kulipa 500 Kenya shillings. Paybill ndio hiyo, account number ndio hiyo. So you just click at STK if you want to prompt yourself. So unakuja unaweka hapo number 0704 666 111. Ukiweka okay, unaweka are you sure about this? Yes. Enter M-Pesa pin like that. Now you can see from here, you just wait for some time. Good, the application your application for Rift Valley National Polytechnic has been approved. Onanga hapa kwa status. So how do you download the letter? Unakuja hapa kwa actions, then you click download letter. Na pia remember, if you have to download letter, your application letter will also be itakuwa pia imekuwa mail to you the email address that you provided to us when you apply for application. So basically you can see from here, when you open it, here you have it. So it will come as a zip file. So you just open it. Boom, here are your applications documents. Kuna requirements, letter of offer, application form for college ID, and those. That's how you finish your application procedure. As simple as like that. Within 10 minutes you are able to apply using your phone. You pay application fee, unapata barua mkononi mwako. Welcome to Rift Valley National Polytechnic, your institute of choice.